Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk and Curl Maker to style my wash and go. So first I'm going to go ahead and give myself a side part, and then I'm going to section off my hair, and then I'm going to put my towel back on because I'm tired of my shirt getting wet. And then I'm going to spritz the first section with water, and then I'm going to go in with my detangling brush to detangle my hair. And then the first product I will be using is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. And this is a softening leave-in conditioning cream that is lightweight, and it's formulated with rice milk, macadamia oil, and vanilla. Now I'm just going to continue to work the product throughout my hair, and I'm using as much curl milk as I feel like I need to get my hair moisturized. And then I'm going to be going in with the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and this curl maker is formulated with marshmallow and agave leaf extract. And this is a sweet defining jelly, and it helps to smooth out your hair and define and nourish your curls. So my curls are looking nice and shiny and moisturized and defined. So I'm really happy about that. And now I'm just going to continue to do the same steps throughout my entire head. Alright Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like, very moisturized and defined. It looks really good. So I'm going to see you guys soon to show you the final results. Alright guys, so this is my hair 2 days later. So since I've done my hair, I've been outside and I've put oil in my hair to break the cast. So it's nice and big and fluffy, and I'm just really happy with the results. My curls are defined, my hair is shiny, it's moisturized. So these two Camille Rose products are okay with me. I really love how my hair turned out, and I really encourage you to try these products out, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!